Welcome to the Annapolis Sailing School video series, and today we're going to talk about wind puffs. Puffs are areas of stronger wind, and you can see them as darker patches on the water. They are sometimes hard to see from the boat, but with the elevation of the drone camera, they can become much easier to spot. Thank you to Brian Harrison. We're going to watch this puff roll down from Spa Creek and hit our fleet of Monday night racers. You can see the patch of darker water move towards the boats until it hits. It's about 10 seconds out right now. It's getting closer. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's going to be puff on. You're going to watch the boat heel. There it goes. So if you're on the rail, you want to count down the puffs as they come towards the boat. That gives your helmsman time to either steer towards them or to prepare the boat for the puff hitting. To prepare the boat, you would snug the vang and then be ready to ease the traveler and or main sheet as the puff hits. Here comes another puff, and we're going to watch it come at the boat. Its dark water is going to get a little ruined by this wake of this powering boat through the fleet here, but the puff is still going to hit our boat there, and the boat heels. So in light wind, you want to steer for the puffs at them because extra wind velocity will help the boat go faster. And in in heavy air, you're going to want to be ready for them. So look out from the drone here, we can look out on the water and see the puffs out in the distance. Which puff do you think is going to hit our fleet next? You can see them kind of spreading out, and you can see that dark water approaching the boats. And it's getting closer. So if I was on the rail, I'd be going puff on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then puff on, and the boat heeled over. There you go. So look for these puffs out on the water. They can help your boat go faster. Goodbye from Annapolis Science School.